For the true classic car enthusiast, we have an incredible opportunity. Up for sale is a 1964 Cadillac Deville D'Elegance Sedan 4D, a stunning piece of automotive history. Priced at just $17,900, this beauty is located in Highland Park, Illinois. With only 55,000 miles on the odometer, this Cadillac Deville is in very good condition, inside and out. The exterior is a striking red, complemented by a matching red interior, a true showstopper that turns heads wherever it goes. Automatic transmission for easy cruising, and with no significant damage or problems, this car is a dream to drive. It has a clear history and is completely rust-free, a testament to its care and maintenance. In fact, this car is a California vehicle, meaning it's been spared the harsh weather conditions that can damage classic cars. The seller notes that the car runs and drives, though there's a minor issue where it occasionally shuts off for an unknown reason, though it starts up again without issue. It's a minor quirk that could be addressed, and with its excellent condition otherwise, this DeVille is still a gem to own and restore. Whether you're looking to drive it as is or bring it to its full glory, this 1964 Cadillac Deville D'Elegance offers a perfect blend of luxury, style, and potential. From its iconic design to its smooth ride, this car captures the essence of Cadillac's golden era. At $17,900, this classic car is an incredible value for any collector or enthusiast. No rust, no significant issues, and a car that's ready to be enjoyed. Located in Highland Park, Illinois, this 1964 Cadillac Deville could be yours today. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history. Contact the seller for more details and to arrange a viewing.